Making baby formula is an essential skill for parents, ensuring your little one gets the nutrition they need. This guide will help you prepare it safely and effectively to confidently nourish your baby. Start by thoroughly washing your hands with soap and water to prevent the introduction of bacteria into the formula. If you are using tap water, boil it for 1 to 2 minutes to kill any potential bacteria. Pour the recommended amount of cooled water into a clean bottle. The formula packaging will specify how much water to use based on the amount of formula. Pour this measured amount into a clean, sterilized baby bottle. Level off the scoop with a flat edge to avoid packing down the powder, ensuring accurate measurement. Cap the bottle and shake it gently until the powder is fully dissolved. Avoid vigorous shaking to minimize bubbles. Before feeding, test the formula's temperature by placing a few drops on the inside of your wrist. It should be warm, not hot. Once the formula is at the right temperature, you can feed it to your baby. Hold them in a comfortable position and ensure the nipple is filled with formula to prevent them from swallowing air. Feed your baby within 1 hour of preparation, or freeze it for up to 24 hours. Always talk to your pediatrician before changing formulas. They can provide recommendations tailored to your baby's needs. An advanced formula dispenser machine offers precise measurements and automatic mixing, making it easier to prepare baby formula. The Baby Brezza formula machine makes warm bottles instantly and accurately. It works with most formula and bottle brands and offers customizable settings for portion size and temperature. Just press a button for a perfectly mixed formula every time. It's a time-saving solution for busy parents, ensuring your baby gets the right formula quickly and effortlessly. Fast Bottle Warmer quickly warms bottles to the perfect temperature in minutes, making late-night feedings hassle-free and convenient. The Philips Avent Premium Fast Bottle Warmer heats milk in just 3 minutes with smart temperature control. Its water bath technology ensures no hotspots and prevents overheating, giving you peace of mind. Plus, the one-piece design guarantees no leaks, making it perfect for home or on-the-go use. Always consult with healthcare professionals if you have any questions or concerns about your baby's feeding and nutrition.